look guys, my swimsuit for today. Ayan, ito yung aking black swimsuit guys. Ayan, I'm ready for my vacation. Ayan guys, yung aking black swimsuit. Ayan, ang ganda nito guys. Ayan, yung aking in order for only 350 pesos lang siya guys. Ayan. Ayan yung aking likod guys. Ayan, medyo nag-shape na siya. Ayan, I really love it guys. Yung ating black color na swimsuit. Ayan. So, ayan. Konting diet na lang guys. Mapa-flat na yung aking tummy. Ayan. Konting ano na lang. Konting kembot-kembot na lang guys. Ayan. This is my daily exercises for my tummy. Ayan. So, ayan guys, I'm so happy. Ayan. Dahil kami po ay pupunta ng beach. Ayan. Ayan, finifit ko yung aking swimsuits na susuotin guys. Ayan po. Ayan, kasi, ayan, medyo nag-chubby ako guys. Ayan. Kaya naman tinatry ko siya kung, ayan, kung ano ba, bagay ba sa akin. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay naman siya guys. Ayan, medyo ano lang yung aking tummy. Ayan. O, diba, ang ganda ng ating black color. And then, meron dito siyang red color, guys. Ayan, o. Ang ganda ng kanyang likuran. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, guys. So, ayan po. I'm ready to go na nga po, guys. Ayan. I'm ready to, ano na. Ayan. Ready to go na, guys. Ayan, yung aking, ano. Ayan. Habang ako'y naghihintay, guys, ng aking friendly. Ayan. So, ayan po. Ayan po yung aking fashion for today. Ayan. Ito naman yung kanyang red color, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, o, yung kanyang red color. Ayan. Ayan, the red color. I really love it. Ayan, one of my favorite color din siya, guys. Yung red color. Ayan, o, diba? Ang ganda. Pak na pak yung ating pagrampa nito, guys. Ayan, kasi I really love swimsuits. Ayan, I really love swimsuits, guys. Ayan, yung ating likod. Ayan, pak na yung aking likod, guys. Ayan, konting exercise na lang at mag-fit na yung aking, ano. Ayan, ano na yung aking tummy, guys. Magpa-flat na siya. So, ayan, konting exercise na lang to, guys. Konting exercise na lang to. Kembot-kembot. Ayan, guys. So, ayan, nag-shape na yung aking likod, guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, dahil, ayan, daily exercises ko, guys. Yung ating, ano, ayan, pampaliit ng, ano, sa likod. Bewang, ayan, at pampalaki ng back. Ay, nag-i-squat ako guys lagi. Ayan, so, ayan po. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng aking swimsuits. I really love it guys. Ayan, the red color. Ayan. The red color guys. So, the next day, ito naman yung aking isusukat. Yung ating red color. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. I really love it. Pack, 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 pack. O, diba?